Product generators can be useful for anybody. It doesn't matter if your goal is only to have a few products and promote them well, or if you want to start creating e-com stores and be able to bundle hundreds of products for people all at the same time. Whether you want to generate 100 products while you go to sleep, or you just want to make your design process easier to streamline things for you, these workflows have you covered.